Hi everyone, Blake Jones here, and in this video we're going to go over the upgrading from Resolve 18 to 18.5. It's important to note that at the time of the recording of this video, Resolve 18.5 was still in the public beta stage. So it's important to bear that in mind when utilizing it. What we're going to go over in this video is the process of backing up your database. This is something so incredibly important because this way, if you want to roll back to the previous version of Resolve 18, you can do this with no problem. Because Resolve 18.5 has a unique way of handling database upgrades, it's important to keep in mind that once you upgrade a database, you can't downgrade a database. So we're going to show you exactly the process of what you should do before upgrading to Resolve 18.5. Okay, so you can see here, this is the current version of Davinci Resolve that we're running with. This is version 18.1.4, and we want to upgrade to Davinci Resolve 18.5. Okay, so prior to doing this, it's important while you're still running 18.1 is to come down to the project manager, click on this, and then you see here you've got your libraries, or otherwise known as databases, here in this area. And on the right is a small information button. So we click on that, and then we have here all the information for our existing library or database. So what I want to do here is click on Backup. And now it's going to ask me, where do I want to put the backup? So what I want to do here is click on Save, and I'm just going to put it on my desktop, and then I'm going to give it a specific name, and then click on OK. Do you want to back it up? And as it says here, this operation may take some time, depending on the size of your library, and then you can click on Backup. Now, during the backup process, you'll simply see a spinning beach ball like this, and this is totally normal. This indicates that the backup process is actually functioning, and just be patient and trust it that it is actually backing up in the background. Depending on the size of your database or library, this can take quite some time, sometimes up to maybe a half an hour to do. Now, it's important to do this backup before you upgrade to Resolve 18.5, as if you upgrade a database, you cannot downgrade a database. And with 18.5, it handles database upgrades in a slightly different manner. It actually, instead of upgrading the entire database, it will allow you to import the library or database into your system. And then before opening each project, it will ask you to upgrade that particular project. And it also even tells you during the upgrade process that once it's upgraded, it cannot be downgraded. And the reason for making this backup is this way, if you decide later on you are working with 18.5 for a while and you want to go back to 18.1, no problem. Just load your old database and you're ready to go. Now, once the database backup process is finished, then a prompt will come up on the screen indicating that the process has been finished, and then you can take that database file and put it onto a storage key or a flash drive or anything like this that you want to store it away on. Another useful place for storing databases is, of course, Blackmagic Cloud. You can actually take your database file and put it into the cloud, and thereby it's always there for you. And so if something were to happen or you lose your USB key or something like that, you can always get it back. As you can see here, now it says the project library was backed up successfully. So now all you have to do is, once you're finished with this, click on OK, and then you can resume working with the system. So there we have it. Thanks for watching this video. We have a lot of great workshops coming up, and I hope to see you again here soon. Thanks a lot for watching.